People always ask me what I get up to the 364 days of the year that I'm not working. Well, the natural next step for me, obviously, was to run my own business workshop. How's the sign? Professional. I like to share the wisdom, teach others how they too can expand their outfit. Not the suit, the business. In you come then. Yes, it is I. Oh, hello. Not probs. There we go. Keep going.
Yeah, obviously I'm excited. I think we can learn a lot from him. I've always considered him to be a bit of a legend.
Obviously, Christmas has 100% brand recognition. And that's not by accident. No, that is complete market saturation for 200 years.
Ho, how are you doing? Whoa, come on! You get...
I mean, we're in TV, music, film. They got Tim Allen to play me. Tried for George Clooney, but said he was busy. Now, you need to know what your brand values are. And here at St. Nick Inc., they're pretty clear. Okay, spreading joy, spreading laughter, spreading cheer forever after. Now, they don't need to rhyme, but it helps. Right? In fact, make them rhyme. Things are changing, Customers nowadays want you to remember their preferences. Well, I'll tell you what, I remember every preference for every child in the entire world. They're all on a spreadsheet. The elves do it for me. Yeah. Delegation is key. Another lesson. Anyway, any more questions?
We've been thinking of making our business more cloud-based.
Well, you've come to the right place. I've been cloud-based for years. Yeah, I spent a lot of time up there, weaving through them.
Oh, sorry. We meant building an online platform for ease of purchase and delivery.
Yeah, delivering presents.
We're actually considering transitioning our digital storefront to a more modern cloud architecture.
Yeah, a cloud-native, composable SaaS solution.
Yeah, I fly through them. Yeah. Shoot.
Okay, right, well, we'd like to increase our visibility. Be more visible as a brand.
Completely wrong. No. You don't want to do that. You don't want to be seen. It'll ruin the magic.
I am enjoying the workshop. Yes. But some of Santa's advice is more relevant to our business than others. Thing is, we don't really run on magic and fairy dust. We're more about B2B sanitation solutions and waste management. So, difficult to apply the two.
In short, if it's got a chimney, I'll have a ruddy good go. Right, process. Ignore that. Obviously, times are a-changing, and you've got to evolve, meet the moment. Take, for instance, the environmental changes that we've implemented. Obviously, doing what I do, I rack up a few air miles, but it's all reindeer-powered. Totally renewable. And we've stopped popping coal into people's stockings. Yeah, we use something else nowadays, but I can't tell you what it is. Just as effective, if not better. It's not all about me, though. My business workshops are a chance for them to tell me about what they want for their business.
Well, to be honest, what I want is...
Come on, tell Santa, come on.
By Christmas, I really want my company to double in sales revenue and increase click-through conversions on our website.
Sure you don't want a nice mountain bike? No? Double revenue? Clickety-clackety? Sure, yeah, leave it with Santa. Yeah. Okay, sure. I'm gonna get him a mountain bike. Next, choose an eat. Just fall back on me. Trust me, just fall back. 3, 2. Ooh, pies.
Oh my God, are you okay? Are you okay?
All heard of the 4-hour work week? Well, I subscribe to the 1-day work year. That's efficiency. And unlike other CEOs, I won't be down the gym at 5 a.m. No. My routine, I get up in the morning, have 2 pies, pint of eggnog, 4 pies, then a nap. These guys could learn a lot from me.
Oh, you get a present! Hey, you get a present! You get a present!
All day, people have been saying to me, Santa, why are you doing this? I'm a giver. It's what I do. And you know what? It's exactly what you've always wanted. Okay, it might not be exactly what you wanted, but a few things left over from last year, bit of surplus. But remember, I have over-delivered, yeah? Always over-deliver. Write that down.